Okay, here we put the carburetor back. Oh, if you can see that, how it's in there. It's already in there. Now we're gonna put the fuel and throw back the chain oil in the right place. Okay, let's put back the oil. I already put some mix in there, so now we just need the fuel. Okay, here we got good primer. Now you can see the liquid moving in there before. Before it was black thick oil in there, which was for the chainsaw chain right here. So we had the fuel in the wrong place. We had fuel in here and then the chain oil in here, and then it went through the whole carburetor lines and went chaos. Now we're gonna try it, see what happens. On, choke. Okay, there it is. Thumbs up, subscribe if you like it, if I helped you in any kind of way. Check out my next videos, I got more coming.